double-side solar panel have more higher power generation and efficiency. When double-side solar panel is exposed to sunshine, it can absorb direct sunshine radiation at front side. Its backside can also absorb scattered sunlight, thus improve the solar cell's generating current and output efficiency. Adjustable angle bracket can be adjusted to meet the lighting requirements of different projects. External solar panel design increases the power of solar panel by 20%-50%. Anodic oxidation housing, all screws are made of stainless steel, even coastal use is not afraid of rust and corrosion. The shell thickness is 3.0 mm, scientific and reasonable structural design. Strong wind resistance level even in cities with many typhoons. We promise to use A-class new LiFePO4 battery, reject defective and use battery, lifespan up to 8 years. Customized intelligent control system. We can continuous lighting for 10 rainy days at most.